What's the meaning of chromatographic? Chromatographic. Chromatographic.
Chromatographic. Chromatographic. Chromatographic refers to the separation or analysis of a mixture based on the different components' chemical properties. In chromatography, the sample is dissolved in a mobile phase and then passed through a stationary phase, which separates the components based on their affinity for the stationary phase. The result is a chromatogram, which shows the distribution and abundance of each component in the sample. Chromatography is widely used in various fields, such as chemistry, biology, pharmaceuticals, and environmental science, for qualitative and quantitative analyses of complex mixtures.